Well, hello everybody, it's high time I made one English video. So in today's video, I will be talking about how we can improve our English at home. And like many of you have asked me, Porosh brother, I don't have any speaking partner, I don't have anyone around me. So how can I practice my English, or what is the actual way, or what is the process to learn English all by ourselves? So in today's video, I will try to give my honest experience about it, because I have been practicing English with myself for last almost 15 months. So I have some experience and I can share my honest experience with all of you. And I strongly believe that my videos are being helpful for all of you. And the way you guys are supporting me is truly inspiring. And this is the main reason, this is the prime reason why I always try to make videos. And I just want to make your journey a little bit better. This is my only motive and I always try to follow this. Yes, so as you can see, it's morning time. Yeah, probably you can see I'm unable to speak properly. Actually, after getting up, then I thought, okay, I need to make one English video. And just a second. Okay, now it's okay. And it's really a beautiful and mesmerizing morning in my city. The sky is cloudy, and yeah, it's really a perfect environment to record an English video. So the thing is, let me just share what I actually do in order to improve my English. Like, I don't have any speaking partner like you. I don't have anyone around me who can guide me, or with whom I can practice English. But still I'm improving step by step. Still I'm improving every single day. So how is this possible for me? And just think, if Porosh brother can do it alone, then why not you? Oh man, if you are just waiting for someone, if you just think that okay, someone one day will come and help me in my journey, then this day will never come and your fluency will never come to you. You have to take the first step all by yourself, and I hope you have already taken the first step. Now the thing is, you have to be consistent and you have to be regular. I really don't know whether you are consistent enough or not, but you have to have the consistency. It's really important and it matters most, because since when I started my journey, I am consistent enough. I never ever broken it. Okay, and this is the reason, as you can see, today I'm being able to speak English in front of you. I can express myself with confidence, and like, learning English has made me more versatile. Now I can speak English with confidence. I just want to understand people from all around the world, and I just want to speak this language with confidence. Yes, I don't have any tutor, I don't have any mentor, I also don't have any environment, but I never ever let all the things to stop me. Yeah, I never allow all the things, because I have the willingness, I have the willpower, and I also believe that you guys also have all these things to learn English, but maybe for some reasons you are unable to speak English. But if you just practice English like me every single day, then I'm pretty sure you will be also able to speak this language the way I am actually speaking right now. Although I don't think my English is better, I've been trying to improve myself, and I've been trying to be better in spoken English, and you guys know it, how much dedicated am I, how much passionate am I for learning English. So these are the things that really can make a big difference. And there are lots of things that can be done in order to improve our English. So the first thing is, what you can do is just try to speak English out loud. And let me just ask you a simple question, that is, when was the last time you practiced English out loud? Can you remember this? I really don't know whether you can remember it or not, but I can remember it. Like, last night I practiced English out loud, and last night I also made some videos, although I will take I will keep all the videos just for my practicing purpose. Whenever I think that okay, I need to make a video, I need to share my ideas, and then I just try to record videos, and afterwards I try to share those videos with my lovely audience. But like, most of the time I record lots of videos, but I don't share all of them. Some of them I try to keep as proof of my self-improvement. And if you want, you can also do it. And also, there is another way how we can improve our English is, we can use the mirror technique. Maybe you have a mirror at your home, so simply you can just go in front of the mirror and you can start speaking English. You don't need the perfection, because perfection never come one day. It takes time, it takes courage, it takes patience. And if you have all the things, and if you are consistent enough, then if you are just consistent enough, then yeah, surely something great will happen. So these are the things that can make us better, and learning English is really really important. It's necessary for me. And one more special thing that can make you better is following a diary. Just see, I have my diary in front of me, and I always try to maintain a diary, because I believe if I make my diary valuable, then my diary will make me valuable. So see, just think like me. I've learned this from a YouTube video, and afterwards I bought a diary, and I have been following it for the last 1 year, and I'm getting a great result. I'm getting an exceptional result, and perhaps you can feel it, you can observe it. I have made a significant progress already, because when I started my journey, there was no one around me who could help me. But I never ever seek anyone's help, or like I didn't seek anyone's help in my beginning. I just used my own resources, own equipments that I had when I was a beginner, or when I started my journey. I simply went on YouTube, I searched videos about learning English, I got some information. Afterwards, I started utilizing all those things on my practicing, on my on making myself better. And as a result, as you can see, today I'm being able to express all my ideas in front of you. Yeah, I'm being able to motivate you. And whenever I make video, I just try to motivate you. Yeah, most of the time I try to speak like a motivational speaker. And these are the things which are actually helping me a lot. And hopefully, if you are also passionate about English like me, then surely if you just keep going, if you just keep practicing English out loud, if you just keep learning all the things that we really need to learn in order to learn English, then you will do it, man. You will make it happen. I'm pretty sure about it. But we are not thinking in the right way, because we are being distracted by lots of things. We are really busy on or like we are just squandering our time on those some unnecessary things. But these are not actually valuable for us. We need to change our system. We need to take some good initiatives, so that we can make ourselves better. But who can make you understand? I can't force you. I just what I can do, what can I do is I can just share my honest experience, or like I can just share my honest opinion. And I have been trying to make you understand. But if I really don't know whether you will take my words seriously or not. But there are some people who are serious. Perhaps they will take all my words seriously, and later they will try to put all the things into action. They will start their journey, or they will start practicing English at home. And then I'm pretty sure they will get a good outcome, because I got an exceptional outcome. In my beginning, when I had no one, I just used all the things that I'm telling right now. And yeah, as you can see, my English is better than before. Yes. And one more thing, that if you just compare my old videos with my new videos, then you will see a massive progress. You will see a significant progress. So it shows you like I've been following a process, and this is called a journey. And like if you just want fluency, then fluency is like a journey. You have to be consistent for this. If you just think that, I practiced English last night for 2 hours, so it doesn't matter whether today I'm practicing English or not. But this is not the right way that can make you better in spoken English. You have to be serious. You have to take some good initiatives. Only then you will be able to speak this language, and you will be able to express yourself with confidence, the way you actually want. We want to speak English like a native speakers, but we are not interested in practicing English, or we are not interested in learning. So then it has no value if we just think that, but if we don't take some action. So you have to take some actions. Well, yes, this is the thing. And we have to follow a process. I do lots of things in order to improve my English. Still I'm not able to speak English fluently. That's why I try to practice English, I try to learn English, I try to watch lots of English videos, and I really don't know how many English videos actually I watch every single day, but I watch lots of English videos, and the number is really huge. And always I try to learn from those videos. I try to repeat those videos. And recently I have been focusing on my pronunciation, because earlier my pronunciation was like a typical Bangladeshi speakers, but now I'm trying to be better in spoken English, and I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. But I have come to know that improving pronunciation is not like, it's really a daunting thing. It's really like, it isn't a walk in the park. It takes lots of hard work, but I have the mentality to do hard work, and I will do it. Until I am improving my pronunciation, I will keep going, I will keep learning, I will keep working hard. Well, so yeah, if you just want, you can take some inspiration from this video, and I am pretty sure you will use all the things later into action, and you will make yourself valuable. So this is my study table. As you can see, I have a picture of mine over here. Just a second, as you can see. And yeah, it's beautiful, right? I took these pictures almost 1.5 years earlier, and yeah, I'm looking so smart on this picture. And also I have some practical notebooks over here, also I have some books. This is my study table, but it's not looking that much tidy. And like, I mean, we are about to change our this home. We will change this home after 10 days, and maybe later I will try to organize my study table, and then I will make lots of videos, I mean, by sitting on my in front of my study table. So it's enough for today. It's been almost 12 minutes. I've been speaking English in front of you. And yeah, this is how I'm improving myself. So if you just want to improve yourself, if you just think that you also need to do something great, you need to be better in spoken English, then you can follow all my ideas. And I hope my ideas can be helpful for you if you just take my words seriously. Or if you don't take my seriously, then I have nothing to do. I can't force you. I am so much dedicated, I'm so much passionate about it. That's why I'm doing, I'm learning, I'm improving. So you also need the same thing. And never ever try to procrastinate with yourself, because this is the thing that we do every single time, and it happens with us, and also it happens with me. But I try to invest my time. I don't I don't like to invest my time on unnecessary things, and you guys know it very well. If you are my long-time viewers, then you are being able to observe this, that I've been practicing, I've been trying my heart and soul to improve this language. So I'm pretty sure I have a bright future, and I must have a bright future, because I have been doing hard work. So thank you. I don't want to make it more longer. Maybe I will try to talk about another topic in my upcoming in my next video. Then yeah. So till then, have a great day. Take care of yourself. Always be powerful. Be passionate about it, and just keep going. Keep learning. Thank you. Thank you so much, and see you in the next time.